Hello everyone. Welcome to English Elevator, your step up to better English. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. Today, we will talk about something very important: banks. We use banks every day. But do you know what a bank really is?
If you are learning English, this episode will help you understand banking words and how banks work. We will explain everything step by step.
Yes, and don't worry, we will keep it easy and clear. Let's start.
Part 1. What is a bank?
Andrew, can you explain what a bank is?
Sure, a bank is a place where people keep their money safe, but it is also a place where people can borrow money.
So, banks keep money safe and help people when they need money.
Exactly. For example, if you want to save money, you can put it in a bank account. If you want to buy a house but don't have enough money, you can ask the bank for a loan.
Oh, so the bank helps people buy big things like houses or cars by lending money.
Yes, then people pay back the bank little by little.
That's good to know.
Part 2. History of banks.
Did you know banks started a long time ago? Thousands of years ago.
Really? Where did banks start?
In a place called Mesopotamia, people kept their grain and money in temples to keep it safe.
So, the first banks were temples?
Yes, later, in Europe, bankers helped kings and merchants with money.
Wow! Banks have been helping people for a very long time.
Part 3. Types of banks.
There are different kinds of banks. Let's learn about them.
The first is the commercial bank. This is the bank you probably use. They keep your money and give loans.
Next, the central bank controls money in the country. It makes sure the economy is stable, like the Federal Reserve in the US.
Yes, central banks don't work with regular people. They work with other banks and the government.
Then there are investment banks. They help companies raise money and do big business deals.
And don't forget credit unions, small banks owned by their members. They often have lower fees.
Finally, online banks work only on the internet. They don't have buildings, but you can use them with your phone or computer.
Part 4. Services banks provide.
What services do banks give?
They have saving accounts you put money in and earn a little extra called interest.
Checking accounts let you pay bills and buy things every day.
Banks give loans for homes, cars, education, or business.
Also, credit cards let you buy now and pay later.
Banks help with investments, buying stocks or bonds.
They exchange money when you travel to other countries.
And many banks let you do everything online or with an app.
Part 5. How banks make money.
How do banks make money?
Mainly from interest. When they lend money, they charge extra, called interest.
They also charge fees for some services.
And banks invest money carefully to make more profit.
Part 6. Why are banks important?
Why do we need banks?
Banks keep our money safe.
They help people and businesses get loans.
Banks help the economy grow.
Part 7. Common banking words.
Let's learn some banking words. Deposit means to put money in your bank account. Withdrawal means to take money out. Interest means money you earn or pay. Loan, it means money you borrow. Mortgage, a loan for buying a house. Credit score, a number showing how good you are at paying back money.
Part 8. How to choose a bank.
How do you choose a good bank?
Look for low fees, good interest rates, and easy access like branches or ATMs.
Check if they have good customer service and online banking.
Thank you for listening to English Elevator.
We hope you learned a lot about banks today.
Remember, understanding banks helps you manage your money better.
Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.
See you next time on English Elevator, your step up to better English.